the future of electric driving is here. Meet the all-new 2025 Nissan Leaf, a true evolution in sustainable mobility. Nissan continues to push the boundaries of innovation, offering an electric vehicle that blends efficiency, technology, and a sleek, modern design. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just stepping into the world of electric driving, the new Leaf is engineered to impress. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Nissan Leaf features a bold new look, with a more aerodynamic profile, redesigned LED headlights, and a futuristic front grille that seamlessly integrates with its electric identity. The refined body lines and dynamic stance not only improve aesthetics but also enhance aerodynamics, maximizing efficiency on every drive. Under the hood, or rather beneath the chassis, lies an improved battery system delivering greater range than ever before. Nissan has taken the Leaf's legendary reliability and upgraded it with a larger battery pack capable of exceeding 250 miles on a single charge. Paired with faster charging capabilities, the 2025 model ensures that range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Whether you're commuting to work or planning a weekend road trip, the Leaf is ready to take you there without compromise. Now let's talk performance. The instant torque from its advanced electric motor means you get a smooth yet powerful acceleration, making city driving effortless and highway cruising exhilarating. With multiple driving modes including an updated e-pedal for one-pedal driving, the Leaf adapts to your driving style, offering a balance of comfort and control like never before. But Nissan doesn't stop at just innovation, it's about sustainability too. The Leaf is built with eco-friendly materials and continues to support Nissan's vision for a zero-emissions future. As more charging infrastructure expands globally, the Leaf stands as a testament to how far we've come in electrifying mobility. So, is the 2025 Nissan Leaf the EV for you? Whether it's the extended range, cutting-edge technology, or the commitment to a greener planet, this electric hatchback is redefining what it means to drive smart and drive clean. Experience the future. Experience the 2025 Nissan Leaf.